Welcome to this video on tape reading. What we're looking at here are three columns. So the far right one is our time in sales. We've learned about that. That's actually filled orders. The one to the left of that is all of the offers. And the one to the left of that is all the bids. So we talked about trading being supply demand. So the demand, that's on the left, the supply is in the middle, and then the actual filled orders are the ones on the right. So this is looking at raw supply demand or demand supply. And the key is the number of shares. We don't care about little 100 share offers or bids or asks. We care about the big ones. In fact, there's a couple of big ones in there right now. But when I say big, I'm looking at like over 10,000. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to bring this up, give you a general annotation, showing it graphically what I'm talking about. And before we show you the live part, because I had to go through that so fast, this stuff moves really quickly, and it's a little tricky to, explain it while it's going on. And so I wanted to give you a little groundwork, if you will, a little baseline connection and concept, and then because I couldn't annotate it live, I had to do that now. Okay, so we'll switch over to the live clip now. Okay, but how are we going to use this? Well, for right now, we're going up. Okay, we've got an uptrend. So we're going to look for profit targets. And you look over there and you see on the ask side, the right column, that we've got, look at the size of the shares being offered. So that's supply. So, I say that nothing makes the markets move except for supply demand. That's what we're looking at here, raw supply demand, kind of behind the scenes or inside the market. So right now, what I'm seeing is, let's see, what are we seeing? Okay, so at 129.62, that's where we're seeing the biggest number of shares. Really stands out from all the rest. This is again on the ask side. And that's at 10,300 shares at 129.62 is the price, still there. All right. So basically, we're just saying, well, all this other stuff is kind of negligible. Oh, wait, we just had a big offer there, but it went away, like 7,000. And see, that's the thing. They can come and they can go really fast. So they don't take too much trust in it because, okay, let's watch this. Okay, I don't want to talk too much because I want you to really see this because it does go by fast. So what we're looking for is to get up to 129.62 where that $10,000 or 10,000 share offer is. Well, we're there. We just hit it. Boom. Okay, so that order is gone. If you look over on the ask side, you can see that that is gone, the offer side. And now we're down to 58. We're coming down a bit. 50, and it'll hover around. You can also at this time be watching your time in sales and see if it's red or if we get magenta like we just got there. That means it's being filled below the bid, which is very bearish. Oh yeah, 49, yep, 45, 47, 48, 49. Yep, came down. We're more than 10 cents off of that level. Boy, we went almost right exactly to that price, and now we're coming down. Whoa, okay, there we go. All right, yo, my gosh, again. Okay, so you see that? It just, yeah. So that's what we're looking for. That actually turned out to be a great example. All right, so yeah, that's what happens. That's exactly why we would use this tool, is to look for things like that, which would not be obvious just looking at the chart itself, right? But when you see huge supply at a certain level, then this is exactly what can happen. Great example. Just happened to catch this puppy live, which is sweet, nice.